Hi, in this video we show you how to insert a pie chart into Microsoft Excel. So we have, for example, here three species according to the eyes color. So we have species of an animal that have eyes red color. We have species with yellow color eyes. We have also black eyes species. So to insert a pie chart into this sample, you should just select data and go to insert. When we are in insert, select this pie chart symbol. So when we select the pie chart symbol, we can select a two-dimension pie chart or a three-dimension pie chart. But for now, we will select uh, a three-dimension pie chart. So as we have selected our three-dimension pie chart, we can choose to have percentage in our pie chart. We can change the kind of our pie chart, the color. So we can change angle of our pie chart by double clicking on the center of our pie chart. So when we double click on our pie chart, we can come on this tab and change angle. We can turn around our pie chart in order to give it a position that we think. We have the legend here. We can also explode our pie chart into three slides. So we double click and click on explode, and we can change angle in order to have a bar chart that have form that we need. So we can also select to for the number format to be with decimal. So we click on the number. We can go on this symbol, click on this symbol, and go to number here. So we click on number and select the format category. So we have general category, we have number, we have currency, we have accounting. So we choose percentage section. So we choose percentage, and you can see that our figure have been put into percentage, and we can see according to our bar chart that the red color represents 28.46% of our sample, when yellow color eyes species have more than 52%, and the red ones have 80.75% of our sample. So we can also change the title. We can go on this plus symbol and deselect a chart title. So we can also keep keep the chart the chart title. We can edit it. So we can also show data label, and we can also show legend. We can deselect legend so that our didn't have legend. So we keep a legend by here. So that's it for this video. We hope it can have been helpful in order to help you how to insert